Hi, we're Apress authors Joan Horvath,
and Rich Cameron.
and we've written what?
7.
Books for Apress. And we're here today to talk to you about getting started with 3D printing. So if you're a beginner, you might be interested in our book, Mastering 3D Printing in the Classroom, Library, and Lab. Now, people think that getting started with 3D printing is really, really hard, but it's like cooking. You just start with some simple things, and then you move on to more sophisticated things. So for instance, you might end up doing some models of botany,
Models of probability.
or maybe even becoming a little bit of a rocket scientist and developing some wing models. Now, if you're into those, you can move next, I should say, to our 3D printed science projects books. But either way, we hope you'll let us get you started with 3D printing. Thanks.